Let's pack for college together.
This is already a lot of clothes.
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed.
This is a mess.
Did I overpack? Honestly, this is pretty late. You ever just like look at yourself and you're like, I look good from the front, but don't tell me how I look in the back, because you're gonna see something like that. Hi guys, it's Makayla Lysiak. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are packing for college. It is junior year at USC. I'm in their film school, and I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me every step of the way, from packing for college to move-in to my first week of school. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any episodes of season 3. Okay, so let's go over my living situation this year. I don't know what my room looks like. Period. I thought I did, but then I had some roommate drama, and well, now I don't have the room that I thought I was going to get. Like, at least I have a place to live. Thank God, okay? Because some students are like still searching for housing right now. I'm living off campus this year. I have a room. I don't know what it looks like. I didn't get to tour the unit either, so you know, we'll see. We'll see. So I don't know how much space I'm gonna have. I don't know how much storage I'm gonna have. So we're gonna find that out together. Again, subscribe for the move-in vlog. The vibe I want for my room is gonna be different than last year. If you saw my last, packing and move-in vlog, you saw that my color palette was pink, red, green, white, like just very preppy. I still do like some of those elements, but I think I'm going for a different color palette. I want it to be more neutrals, like beiges, browns. I obviously want to add pops of color. I think I'm gonna go for like oranges, yellows, and greens, like just a very natural, grounded vibe. The room decor I have is so cute. I can't wait to show you what I got. A lot of people were asking me in my last move-in, like, where's this from? Where's this from? And it's all from Amazon. So I also have stuff from last year's dorm linked in my Amazon storefront, and I don't gatekeep. Like, I really put everything in my Amazon storefront. Okay, I just made some clothing piles. As you can see, I organized everything by category, so I'm gonna tell you what's in each category. This pile right here is loungewear. I have some pajama sets. I also have sweatpants, hoodies, things that I'll want to relax in and study in. The second pile is everyday wear and basics. I also have like some business casual pieces thrown in there, like this button-up pants and jeans. The third category is college wear. So anything that I'll wear around campus to show like my school spirit, like this USC crew neck, USC tailgate shirts and jerseys. Fourth pile is going out party clothes, which isn't really a big pile because usually I'll have like fun bottoms like this with a basic shirt that I'll wear every day, like these, with like a plain white top. And this last pile over here is workout and athletic gear. So those are the 5 categories for clothing that I think you should consider while you're packing. Obviously pack, socks, undergarments. I will be packing that as well. I think what I want to do to save space is lay everything flat this way. That's good so far. This is already a lot of clothes, but honestly, it's better than I thought. Wow, and I still have room on top of this, so I can fit even more clothes in the bin. I think I only need one more bin. Putting everything into folded piles beforehand made this process a lot faster. It's super important to stay organized during packing so you always know what you're bringing and you don't get confused. That's why I liked packing the clothes sideways, because I can easily scan through the top to see what I packed. Definitely recommend this hack. I'm throwing all my accessories into this large tote bag. Purses, hats, stuff like that, because I don't really care if it gets smushed or anything. I love hats because usually my hair is messed up, so I like to cover it. Belts. Those are all my accessories. I'm gonna put my jewelry into a jewelry box. I have so much. I love being jeweled out. I'm also putting my favorite perfumes into this bag. If I'm being honest, I really only use one perfume, my signature scent. Perfumes usually just end up as display pieces, but once in a while, I'll try something new. I'm putting my shoes into a trash bag. This is a mess. Okay, I'm gonna show you some room decor that I got. Look at this tiger rug. It's so cute. I'll link this in my Amazon storefront. It is kind of small. I think I might exchange it for a larger rug. I got a stand for all of my sunglasses. I also have some plants. I have another large one, but I might just put this in like the living room or something like that to decorate. We all know the lore. I damaged my last dorm with these kind of lights, but a lot of people were telling me to put down painter's tape underneath this and then put the LED lights over it so I wouldn't damage the wall. So that's what I'm gonna do this time around. Hopefully we have no issues. Command hooks, which I'll try these again. I'm really worried. I might do the painter's tape hack because these also ripped a chunk out of my wall. I also got some posters off of Amazon, a little sun. Then I have this other poster, which is like been rolled up. It says, when we plant good seeds, good things grow. I also got some drawer organizers just so my socks, bras, and underwear all have a place. I also bought a bunch of hand sanitizers, which will go in probably like my first aid kit. After that, I packed away all my bedding and other dorm decor that you'll see on move-in day. Stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of packing for college. I leave in the morning, so it's time to get down to the nitty gritty and pack up all of my skincare and my hair care. I just got off a meeting with Victoria's Secret Pink, which I'm like so excited. I'm wearing one of their pieces right now. They want to partner with me for college and stuff, so we just had a meeting about like all of the mood boards and concepting that they want to do. And it's crazy because I grew up wearing pink products. Like, no, I was just looking through my old TikToks, like old TikToks to when it was Musically, and look at me wearing all these pink shirts. I was so surprised as to how many pink shirts I was wearing, but just I'm so glad these videos are private. Y'all don't want to see them. When I got out of training bras, I was like in Victoria's Secret Pink and like shopping there with my mom. Anyway, that meeting is over. I had to do my hair and my makeup, but I'm leaving, so I need to pack it all up. I grabbed some crates. They're like foldable, so it's really nice. Once I'm done, I can just fold them up. When it comes to makeup and skincare, yeah, that's a lot. Okay, I use a lot of products. So this is my beauty vanity. I'm sad I'm gonna have to take it apart because it's just so gorgeous and organized, but I'm gonna put all these products into this bin and go from there. What's nice is I already have them in these containers. And there's all the makeup. I just got these Glow Recipe products sent to me, so I'm gonna put these in here as well. I'd like to try them out, so. I know y'all are probably like, why do you have so many products? I get sent so much stuff. It's giving overconsumption core. And I do interchange products based on how my skin is feeling. So this next bin is gonna be hair care and body care. This is honestly a huge college essential. If you don't want to bring a huge iron or pay for an iron, this gets all the wrinkles out of your clothes. This is linked in my storefront as well. All right, this is all my makeup, skincare, hair care, body care. Oh, actually it's not. I also have this. I do have a lot of stuff. So now I'm thinking we need to pack up technology. I think that'll pretty much be it. So I have charger cords, hard drives, headphones, and I also have my camera bags. Next step was moving everything downstairs so it was ready to pack in the car later that day. I'm not gonna lie, these bins were heavy. I definitely broke a sweat, but everything made it downstairs successfully. Ooh, okay, y'all. Hi, Snow. All right, this is basically everything I'm gonna be loading into the car. We're almost at the finish line, loading the truck. One by one, I ran from my house to the driveway to set everything outside so my parents and I could pack the truck up. I had just went to the gym before this, so I'm in my workout clothes now, but this was an exercise within itself. Guys, we just finished bringing everything outside. It was a workout bringing it all out here, but I already went to the gym, so I was kind of pumped up for it. The truck is fully packed for move-in tomorrow morning. Y'all, move-in is gonna be a lot tomorrow. Who knows if this will even fit in my room because I don't even know what my room looks like. The most exciting part about move-in day is the decorating. Like, that's the only part I look forward to. Subscribe so you don't miss my move-in vlog. I'll be posting updates in real time on my Instagram if you want to follow me on there, and my TikTok. If you made it till the end of this video, comment boxes so that I know you stay till the end. I'm going to shower because I was at the gym. Like, I'm sweaty. Bye.